Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this newest model from Parkside. This is the 3-in-1 cordless hammer drill, the model PSBSA 20 lithium battery C3. It is only bare unit, battery and charger are not included, you need to buy them separately. That means you need to give 30 euros if you decide to buy the 4 ampere hours battery, 18 euros if you decide to buy the 2 ampere hours battery, but if you want to buy the smart battery 20 volt 8 ampere hours performance line from Parkside, it costs 55 euros. I have made a video unboxing, viewing and testing, that's why don't miss my next videos, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Definitely you will find it very interesting, this battery. It is 8 ampere hours, it is double than 4 ampere hours, with a Bluetooth connectivity. And of course you need to buy the charger. This is a fast charger, it costs 14 euros, but if you want to buy the regular charger it costs 8 euros, and the regular charger it can do the job. Well, that about the batteries. Of course, if you have any Parkside batteries with other tools, you can use these batteries because this is compatible with batteries in the Parkside X20 Voltim series. With a 3 years warranty for this cordless hammer drill, max torque is 45 Newman, rotation speeds first year from 0 to 440 RPM, second year it is from 0 to 1650 RPM, torque levels 20 plus 1 drilling and 1 impact level, chuck clamping rate is maximum 13 millimeters. Spindle lock, quick release metal drill chuck with a radial lock, with the 3 functions: drill, hammer drill and screw. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and find out more about this cordless hammer drill, test it and see how it works. Oh, there it is. And of course inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, you're gonna find out all about this product. Only the cordless hammer drill, nothing else on the box. But of course we've got the correct position for the 4 ampere hours battery, for the 2 ampere hours battery, and of course you can install and your charger. Nice, and you can have all this at this lovely case, durable case, and protect your precious power tools. Nice. It's quite heavy. It feels very well manufactured. I like it. Soft grip here at this area, around here. Definitely if it will fall down, it can protect this cordless hammer drill. It comes with this auxiliary handle that can be screwed into both sides. If you like, you can have it at this position, soft grip here, or if it is convenient for you when you are working, you can have it at this position. Nice. It has a powerful motor with 2-speed gearbox and optional hammer. There is the hammer position, drilling position, and you can adjust it from 1 to 20 for screws. Drill goes here. We've got magnetic bit holder on both sides. Definitely it can hold very well the bits. Let's install one battery, 4 ampere hours for me, I like the bigger battery. Left and right rotation. In center it locks. We have the LED working light. Nice. Quick release metal drill chuck with a radial lock. Maximum 13 millimeter. Perfect. And it locks. Nice, I like it. Feels very nice to my hand. And it cost only 24 euros. 24.99. Of course, without the battery and the charger. But if you have a Parkside batteries, I'm sure you can use these batteries. I like the automatic spindle lock, spindle restraint. Nice. Well, I think it's about time. Let's move on for testing and see how it can perform drilling a wood, concrete, soft brick and metal. Now let's try it on a soft brick. Drilling mode. Hammer drill, I will try it later on a hard concrete. Drilling. And that was very easy all the way in. I like it. And now let's try it on a hammer drill. And of course we can install this handle. That was all on a hard concrete with a 10mm concrete drill bit. And now on drilling mode, let's try with this 10mm diameter. Nice. Very easy without a problem. Now let's replace it with this 14mm. Nice. Very fast without a problem. And now let's try screwing at the wood with the included bits, left and right. Screw mode, let's say 20, yep, maximum. And I will try screw this. Very fast. Longer screw. Oh yeah. Let's remove this bit. And now I will try with this screw. only with one hand. Second gear. Nice, all the way in. And let's try, and with this screw, this is the same length, but is thicker. Screw again. Okay, let's try on drilling. Definitely it has more power, but without a problem, it can screw all that at the wood. Definitely it is very powerful. I like it. And now drill bit for metal. Drilling. Adjusting speed with a trigger. And very easy drilling with a 8mm drilling bit for metal. Nice! Great! And you can drill and the metal without a problem. You can drill ceramics, plastics, wood, concrete, soft brick, metal, wherever you want. So many materials. Of course, it depends what drill bit you are using. You can screw at the wall, at the wood, at the concrete, at the metal, wherever you want and whenever you want. Definitely it is a great choice just to buy it because it costs only 25 euros without the charger and the battery. But if you have a charger and batteries from other power tools from Parkside, definitely you can use the batteries with this cordless hammer drill. Well guys, that was all about. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.